So my plan for my birthday was to get a massage, get a manicure and a pedicure, and go out for dinner. Simple. And it seems like nothing's gonna work out. Maybe. Hi guys, today is my birthday. Yeah, as you can see, I'm in an hospital bed, hooked up to these things. Yeah, yeah. Turned out to be the worst birthday ever. So the reason why I'm here is because I need to get iron. So the reason I'm here is because my iron level is low, very low. My doctor prescribed some over-the-counter iron tablets, but she realized that it won't be enough for me. So I am here today getting iron through IV, and I'm supposed to do it next week as well. Trust me, it's hot. Worst birthday. With this pregnancy, it's different. My first pregnancy was smooth sailing. I didn't have no issues. I didn't in the hospital bed until I need to deliver. Even but that time I was just waiting there to be in. I was induced. I was in labor for 12 hours or so. The works, but this one is a bit different. Currently, yeah, let's keep on going on. Currently, I have low iron level. I am my white platelets or my white blood cells are low. Something I don't remember it called. And if it is not increased by the time to give birth, I'm supposed to get steroids. I was tested for gestational diabetes, but it's a good thing I don't have diabetes. The real issue right now is my iron level. It's really low, so that's the reason I'm here. I never planned my birthday to be in bed, but yes, this is what's happening. Just it's hot. People, it's hot, and this is like one of the worst parts for me to get the IV, man. So yeah, all said and done though, I'm grateful that I am alive. I'm 32. I'm grateful that I'm alive. A lot of persons haven't lived to see 32, so I'm really grateful. Grateful for my health. I'm not sick or anything like that. It's just low blood iron level and stuff like that. So I'm really grateful for that.
Yeah, guys, how going? Don't know. Big up on yourself. So today Nat's birthday, guys. But she at the hospital at the moment. She do one little IV something she have to do because her iron count low. So the doctor suggested she have to do that little thing here for bring up her iron so the rest of her pregnancy can alright. So pretty much we have a few hours to kill. Basically I gotta spend a few hours on the road, guys. I'm bringing with it. So Nats don't know so I'm gonna do this still, but we've been talking about piercing Malika ears. So from Malika behind her ears has never been pierced. It's not that I'm against it or anything. It's just that I feel like say at the time that's a decision that I think she have to make when she get a little bit older, because everybody look upon life differently, and we kind of not really believe so if we force or enforce our beliefs by our kids. So pretty much do you want to wait until Malika can reach old enough so she can decide if she want pierce her ears, what religion she want to choose, all of them lovely stuff there. So but they kind of push back even though not state don't really do it. So we're at the mall right now, we're going to get our ears and shut up and thing as a farmer surprise. Today Nat's birthday, so Nat's get anything she want today. Yeah, today's all about her. Of course, drop a comment right down below. Drop a happy birthday down below if you not do it already. If you not tell Nats for big up herself already. Please make sure you feel some love in the comment box. Say Nat's a real G. And that's a real girl, you understand? Send some love for our way, send some love our way as usual. And we appreciate it, we appreciate you guys. Forward for a little journey, we're going to go in the mall. And who knows, we might shut up my ears them too. Alright guys, stay tuned. Yeah guys, so now Malika and I, we're just killing some time guys. And we're just here in the mall, just riding a pony. See, this is what Malika got us doing. Riding a pony. Hey guys, so I'm here with my friend Junior. Yeah, he works in the mall. Luckily, that's where I went, as you guys know, with Malika. And Junior works with Misty. Did I get it right?
Yes.
Misty Dawn.
Yes.
Yeah, Misty's such a nice person, guys, by the way. She's really happy, she's really bubbly. And he's just the total opposite.
Thank you, sir.
He's just the total opposite. So Junior is actually one of my closest friends since I've been here. He's from Nigeria, and he's the guy who's always failing all his courses.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
One more time.
and for some strange reason, Mitzi decided that, you know what, she's gonna be his at least boss while he's working. How's that been? Like,
You're not my boss.
I'm not the boss.
you're not the boss?
No, I'm just as new as him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, we were hired at the same time. It's just I work more hours.
Okay, so quick question, Misty. So obviously you're Alberta born and bred.
No.
No, where are you from?
No, I'm born in the Middle East. I was born in Dubai.
You were born in Dubai?
Yeah.
What? Oh, all at Abu Dhabi?
Yeah, that's where I was born exactly.
Abu Dhabi?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's neat. That's neat. So how long have you been in Canada?
We came to Toronto when I was 15, so a while.
A while. I won't ask you how old you
No.
are. I know it's never polite to ask a woman her age. Don't worry about it. So
But yeah, no, we moved from Dubai to Scotland to Toronto, and then I moved myself out to Alberta.
So what brought you to Alberta?
Horses, actually.
Oh yeah, you were telling me about that you are a breeder?
No, I just work with horses. I was an international groom for a few
Okay.
years. I flew horses back and forth to Europe, and we went to California and Florida to horse
She's well
show.
traveled, man. I envy her.
Yeah?
Yeah, she travels a lot.
I also lived in Australia for 7 months riding racehorses. And,
Oh my god, that's freaking awesome.
yeah.
Okay, so let me ask you, Junior, because obviously I've asked you these questions a lot of times, right? But so you're from Nigeria, obviously, and you know I'm from Jamaica. So we're all just immigrants here. Then I didn't
Yeah.
even know that Mitzi was an immigrant. That Misty, sorry, was an immigrant. But anyways,
No, you're not.
I am.
Yeah.
I'm a landed immigrant. I'm
Yeah.
not a Canadian citizen.
But where you from originally?
Dubai. She just said it.
I was born in Dubai.
No wonder why he's always
My
failing all his
family
courses,
is born in
guys.
Trinidad and Tobago.
What freaking what?
My grandfather was born in Barbados. So
Oh, so you got Caribbean
yeah,
ancestry.
yeah.
Well, yeah,
My
like
dad's Portuguese Maltese. So yeah, I'm not as white as I look.
oh.
Yeah, like, ironically.
Malika, come back this way. Oh, she's good. Yeah. So, yeah, I was asking you, Junior, like,
Yes,
right?
sir.
I know you've been here for a little bit as well. I think we came here at the same time and stuff. What would you say has been your experience being like not only like an immigrant, but like a new immigrant to Canada?
Well, personally, it has not been too bad. The major change for me was the weather, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
Because the weather back in Africa is pretty warm, right?
It's pretty warm, yeah.
And here you have to like put on like 3-4 layers of clothing.
Especially in winter. What about you, Misty? So for somebody who's probably in Abu Dhabi or in Trinidad or even Barbados, was
Have you been
thinking
to
of
Trinidad?
Yeah, I was there when I was a baby, but I graduated from one cold to another, like going from the desert to Scotland where it's like very, very wet, and then coming to Alberta. I mean, it's cold.
Yeah, but it's different cold.
It is
Yeah.
a different cold, but what I don't know, there's just something specifically, and I've lived all over Canada, Toronto, I've lived in Saskatchewan,
Mhm.
I lived, Calgary, and now I'm here, and
Yeah,
now I'm
well
here,
traveled.
and I lived in
Malika.
Kelowna, I have to say there's something special about the people here
In Grand Prairie?
in this area of Alberta.
Special good or special bad?
Special good.
So I was asking you, Misty. So for someone who's probably back in their home country thinking of moving to Canada, what would you say to them? Would you say it's a good idea?
I would say it has to be for the right reasons. Like you gotta weigh the options of what you're leaving behind. I think, it's not easy. There's lots of hoops that you have to jump through, and but I love Canada.
Yeah.
I do. I really do. I spent a lot of time in the U.S. I mean, I spent time in Europe as well. The only other place in the world I would say to emigrate to is Holland.
Is Holland? Oh, that's the Netherlands. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So did you find, like, I know you came here since you've been were 15 years old, and you've been here like a long time, Mitzi.
Yeah.
Would you say the transition was easy for you?
No.
No?
Well, I mean, I was 15, right? So I was leaving a life that I thought, as a 15-year-old, you think, oh, I have everything I need. And, you leave all your friends from school behind. You leave everything you know. And it's completely different moving from Scotland to Canada. But, I mean, I think that would happen anywhere you'd go, right?
Yeah.
So I think it's just weighing up the options, and I'd say this is a good choice.
Okay, so Junior, as somebody who's always failing his courses,
So very, very genuine reason.
yeah, I know a lot of genuine reasons, obviously, but so a lot of my audience is persons who are thinking of coming to Canada as international students, right? So for persons who might be a little bit scared of failing a few courses or whatever, thinking that, oh, if they fail a few courses, they're gonna get kicked out of Canada or whatever, right? What would you say to them? Like, what are their options?
You can always retake the classes. I mean, if you don't pass the class because probably you don't like the tutor or you don't just understand the concept, you can always take the classes again. As long as you maintain a CGPA of above 1.0, I think.
Okay, I think it's 1.5.
1.5,
Yeah.
So you are good to go.
So what about if their like study permit expire and they're not finished with their studies and stuff? What are their options?
You can definitely extend the study permit as many times as you want, but I mean it's always good to do what you want to do and just get out of it, because at some point the immigration guys will be like,
this guy is not serious about school, or that girl is like
doing what it's supposed to do. Because I've read about like a couple of people that extended their student visas like 7 times and got kicked out of the country, like straight up.
Oh man, that's crazy.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
I mean, you can extend it like 2-3 times. That gives you enough space to complete your studies.
But you shouldn't go beyond that.
Yeah, you shouldn't go behind that, because I mean it gets suspicious. Are you really there to study?
Okay. Okay. It's all good.
So yeah, I mean people don't pass classes, but like the only thing is for international students, you just pay more money.
Okay.
It's just like double expenses for you.
Exactly. Hey, Misty, are you married?
No.
Are you single?
No.
Are you single and looking to mingle?
No. No, I'm happily attached.
Happily attached.
Are you
Okay.
engaged?
Well, I mean, we both have tattoos.
Oh, that's oh man, that's I'm married, and that's me and my wife don't even have tattoos. So that's so deep. Like that's as deep as it gets, man. Okay, look out for this one, man. I'm telling you, he'll try to charm you and stuff. And I don't know why anybody think he's cute, but that's not very.
He's my favorite co-worker.
Favorite coworker. Okay.
He doesn't have much to choose from, but Mallory's his favorite boss, and I'm his favorite
Oh
coworker.
man, guys are freaking. I freaking love Misty. Thank you so much, Misty, for chatting with me.
No problem.
Yeah.
Thank me too.
No. Goodbye, man.
So my plan for my birthday was to get a massage, get a manicure and a pedicure, and go out for dinner. Simple. And it seems like nothing's gonna work out. Maybe able to go to dinner if I can still fit in the dress. I don't know. The lady place that I called, or we booked the massage at, the lady have COVID. I canceled the manicure and pedicure because I figured this would take long. And it sounds right, this is going to take my entire day. I haven't accomplished anything since they do anything, so yeah. That's the way it is. Worst birthday ever.
Yeah, guys. So, beside, I'm decided for nobody to get our ears pierced, because one, I don't like that story there, and two, I don't like that story. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it when Nuts is here because I don't think I can do it on my own because the lady explained as long as them get little resistance from the kids, them are gonna stop and all of them stuff. So I just decided that I'm not gonna bother. Plus I never really like the energy, so I just pretty much decided to say I'm not gonna bother do it. We've been in our mouth for a little bit now, so we're just gonna continue killing some time. Might stop in a Walmart, grab Malika favorite pita sure, and then just gotta part a little bit while we wait for Nuts to do our thing. Alright guys, so forward as usual. Yeah guys, so unfortunately I have to wrap up the video now guys. So I thought that I was gonna go and pick up Nuts, but she's actually gonna be at the hospital for a few more hours actually. So pretty much she'll be there for the whole day. I know today's her birthday and it really sucks, but yeah, I'm up on babysitting duties. Look at that face. And stuff until she's done, but yeah, Leave a like, guys. Subscribe if you're new, and definitely leave a comment. Show some love to Nuts. Make sure you know say how you guys there fair. Make sure you know say how have a happy birthday. Bless her up, see you, man. Stay tuned. Big up on yourself as usual. Take care of yourself. Little more.